Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. So right now we are unplugging the old power roof fan. Right here it's our technician, and he's trying to unplug the old one, and then we will install the new one, power roof fan replacement, because we was on the roof replacement project, but unfortunately this power roof fan is out of service, so we have to replace with a brand new one. So we have our new power roof fan over there ready to replace. All right, so time to remove the old one. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now we need a new one. Okay, so at this point we have our new power roof fan here, and the beginning of the connection of all the wiring. All right, so okay, so this is the final connections. We are doing the wiring. All right, so and the last one is the green one, and good to go. So next step, we have to do a test, make sure everything is working fine. So after all the connection, now we're gonna do some tests before the permanent installation, and work perfectly fine. All right, that's it. Experience and solution. Three Brothers Roofing, ongoing with the power roof fan replacement. Okay, power roof fan installer. So another project completed by Three Brothers Roofing company.